Well, hello and welcome. Welcome to our very last celebration assembly of the whole term. And I thought today I'd show you the decorations in the infant office. But first, we need to light our candles, don't we? And because we're getting close, it's 3 candles. Candles for hope, peace, and now joy. So here goes, 3 candles. One, two, three. There they are, all glowing away. And what a term it's been. Goodness, we've had to settle back in after a long time out. We've had to have new lunch times, new start times, and you've done so well. And I'm so proud of all your hard work. I've seen people really working on their handwriting, making their work beautiful and doing their absolute best. So let's see, what are the final certificates of the term?
Good morning all, and a special good morning to our class. This week the first certificate is going to Henry for your fantastic work in science. You really could label all these different animal parts and you just had so much knowledge, so well done. And the second certificate is going to Ellie W. You also really challenged yourself this week in science and could label all these different parts in animals. So well done to you both. Keep it up and have a lovely weekend, everyone. Bye for now.
Hello, my certificates this week go to Joseph for his very funny, lovely illustrated plan in English, and to Amelie for her hard work and perseverance in maths. Thank you.
Hi Tiger class, I hope you're having a lovely Christmas jumper day. It's been a lovely week again in Tiger class, so thank you very much for that. My certificates this week, I have 2 of them. First one is for Genta, who has been working so hard on improving her handwriting to the point where she's just about to get her pen license and get a handwriting pen. So well done, Genta. It's been lovely to see you working so hard. And the second one is for Nathan. Now Nathan has started having some injections and did the most comprehensive, most interesting show and tell we've had for a really long time. And I was really proud of him for just having a go and telling us everything about it. So well done, Nathan. And to the rest of you, have a lovely weekend. Take care. Bye.
Good morning, Hedgehog class. I've got 2 certificates that I would like to give away today. The first certificate is for Evie, because you are always so helpful in the classroom. If you see a problem or a job arise, that you're one of the first children to come and ask if you can do it. So thank you, Evie, that's really helpful. The second certificate is for Lana. Lana, you've been working really hard to improve your writing, and you have been working hard to reread your writing and edit it where possible. So well done, keep it up, girls.
Hello, Total Class. So this week, the first certificate goes to Zach. Zach, you've been doing really well with your reading. Keep going, keep trying your best, well done. And the second certificate goes to Boise. Boise, you've been really kind and gentle with your friends this week. Well done for being such a kind friend.
Good morning, Gazelle class. I hope you have a lovely Friday. My 2 certificates this week go to Lily for being so enthusiastic in everything you do, your work and your play and your friends and everything. Well done, Lily. My second certificate goes to Leah, who is trying really hard to make a great effort in all her lessons. Well done, Leah. You're pushing yourself to the best. Well done.
Class, well done for another brilliant week. We've been so busy this week planning our poem for the Christmas performance, and I'm really proud of you all, especially that we wrote our own, so well done to you. My first certificate this week is going to Harrison. Harrison, you have showed the most amazing improvement in your behaviour and your attitude towards your learning. I really am so proud of you, especially seeing your kindness in the classroom when you ask to help other children when you're finished. That is so lovely to see, so well done. And my second certificate this week is going to Jacob. Jacob, your writing has improved so much with Mrs. Faraday. You have worked so hard and I've been so pleased with it. So well done you, and keep up the hard work. Bye, McCall class.
Hi Antelope class. This week, I'd like to give the certificates to Charlie. Charlie, you've been working really well in class. You're much more focused and you are working really hard, especially when we were creating our own Christmas poems in RE, so a big well done. And my second certificate goes to Sebi. Sebi, you've shown some fantastic math skills this week during our investigations and you're working really hard and explaining concepts to other people. So a big well done to both of you.
Hello Seahorse class. This week the certificates go to Jusung for his beautiful Christmas picture he spent a long time creating this week. And the second certificate goes to Shems because she's been trying so hard with her reading and you can really see the progress. Well done to both of you and well done to the whole of Seahorse class for a lovely first term.
Hello everyone, I hope you are enjoying looking at all the different Christmas jumpers today. This week I would like to give Stephanos a certificate for his fantastic effort with his handwriting. You have really made a big difference to your handwriting, Stephanos, and keep up the hard work. And the second person is Nora. Well done, Nora, for all of your brilliant working out with the money problems that you've had to solve. You've been able to use the pound symbol and the pen symbols really well, and I've been so impressed with all of the effort you've been making with that as well. So well done to you, boys and girls, and one more week, everybody.
Hi Year 6! This week my certificate is for the whole of Potter because they've made me so proud by doing such a wonderful job learning our mammoth 83-line poem.
Hello Squirrel class. Highlight of the week has to be your animation. It's absolutely fantastic. I think your parents are going to absolutely love it. So well done everybody. But my certificates this week go to Teddy for your maths. You really have shown really well how you know how to use your 10s and 1s. So well done. And Lexi, you always work so hard and you're putting an awful lot into everything and your reading is going really well. So we're really proud of you and take care everybody and have a lovely weekend. Bye-bye.
Hello everybody, this week's certificates go to Sam and Maisie. Sam, you filled in just at the last minute for someone who wasn't here, so thank you for doing that. You have thought really carefully about your role in the play and have put really good expression into your acting. And the same for you, Maisie. You have really helped your group to float beautifully and gracefully in your scene, so thank you very much. Bye.
Hello Lions, well done on another lovely week. This week I've got 2 certificates to give out, and the first one is to Bridget. Bridget, you're such a kind friend to everyone in the class. You're always there to help and be a listening ear and to encourage the people that sit around you. So well done. You really deserve your certificate this week. The second certificate is for Anaya. Anaya, you're working so hard. You just get on with it, your head's down, your pencil's scribbling away. Well, it's not scribbling, your handwriting's beautiful. And so this certificate is for you to say well done on all your hard work this term and keep it up next term. Bye!
Morning guys, hope we're all well. I'm just going to quickly tell you who the winners are for the Sports Award for this week. From the juniors is going to be Ollie and McCall class for their amazing run for charity last week. And from the infants is going to be Isaac in Fox class for being really consistently good, putting effort in and showing a really good attitude all the time. So well done you.
Hello children, so it's time for me to judge the Christmas jumper competition. You guys have created such brilliant designs and me and the teachers have had such a lovely job of looking through all of them. It's been a really tricky decision because they were all so brilliant and it was so hard to pick just 4 of them. So well done everybody who did enter your design and we all thought they were fantastic. So I have picked 4, one from each key stage, and the first one that we chose, and the reason that we chose this one was for their fantastic colouring and the lovely design. A child in reception, Dougie Reed in Seahorse class, and he's done a beautiful Christmas tree on there with some lovely presents at the bottom of it. So well done, Dougie. And then the second winner was from Hedgehog class, and it was Amelia Castrati. We loved your Rudolph, which was a fantastic design. It's a nice bright red nose and all of the decoration around it. So well done, Amelia. And then in lower key stage 2, there was, we loved the design on this one. We loved that it had fantastic reindeer in the middle and brilliant Christmas lights along the along the top, and we loved the symmetry on there. So well done, Hugo B. That was a really gorgeous design. And then finally, Yeji So, I think that's how I pronounce your name, sorry. In Kipling class, we loved all the detail that you put into your Christmas jumper design. I'm sure that you will all agree that there was so much thought that's gone into this. I think I would wear it myself. So well done, all of you children, for your brilliant designs and the winners. And I will send a little prize to your teachers for you to have next week. So well done.
Now let's see what birthdays we've had this week. So we have Tanya's 5, then 3 people are 7, Danny and Albie and Elizabeth, and then 3 people are 10, Sienna and Cooper and Toby. So happy birthday everyone, enjoy seeing your candles being blown out.
Happy birthday!
And now the big announcement that people have been waiting for, which is who's won the attendance tea party this term. And I think it's been hard to win this term because you've been doing so well at coming in. But let's have a look. Let's have a look at last week first. So in 3rd place, Squirrel and Tiger. 2nd place, Kipling, 99%, incredible. But 1st place, Turtle, 99.3. Turtle, you do so well. So how's it add up? 3rd place, Fox, 98, really good. 2nd place, Tiger, 98.5, impressive. And then 1st place, Turtle, 99.2, absolutely incredible, especially because you're the youngest ones. So on Monday, Turtle, I will come round with your tea party. Well done, and well done to all of you. Now, in a minute, we're going to end with the prayer. But first, I'd just like to wish you a very happy Christmas jumper day. Remember, the money is going to go to a lunch bowl because they've been having a very, very tough time. They haven't even had enough food at the moment. So that's so important. Gives us fun, gives them something very important. And I wish you a very happy weekend. And then we've just got 1 week with all our Christmas dinner and party and end of term service. So, bye for now and over to the prayers.
We close our eyes and softly say, thank you for a lovely day. Amen.